Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how we can create a Python program to find the mean of a given list of numbers. Now normally the equation of find the mean is the T equals to NA. That means T means total, N means number of elements. For example, let's consider we have a list equal to 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, like this. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, and A means the mean that we have to find. So to find the mean, all we have to do, bring this A into this side and say total should be moved into this side. So total divide, so the symbol will be divide now, and then 5. So total, to calculate the total, here we have a list now. So what I will do, just use the sum function. So in the Python we have a function called sum. Using this function we can calculate the sum of all elements in a list. So all we have to do, just pass in the list variable name here. So let's directly go into the program now. I'm going to remove this, and then this one, instead the total I will say sum here. Okay, and then we can print 8 now. Here the mean of this list is 14.8. Now let's go ahead and do the program in more readable way. I will create a new function, diff mean. This will take in some list called numbers. So I will do just say return. So we can use the sum function here. Inside this we have to pass in the list, and we have to divide by total number of elements. So to get the total number of elements we can use len function. Using this we can calculate how many numbers, how many elements are in the list. We have to pass in the list variable name here, numbers. So after that we can define some list here, numbers equals to, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that I will say result is equals to mean. This function, inside this we have to pass in numbers. So after that we can print mean of numbers is result. Okay, here this should be course. Mean of numbers is 3.0. Okay, alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe.